Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a pretty quick one. It's another video continuing my Project Shady build in the InWin D-Frame Mini. This is actually my personal rig that I've been using and upgrading since 2017, and I've made quite a few videos on the channel which I'll link down in the video description. So here it is again, and I'm finally upgrading to RTX 30 series with an AORUS RTX 3080 XTREME WATERFORCE WB. So this is the one with the custom water-cooled water block, and also with this build upgrade I've made the switch to AMD with the B550 AORUS Pro-P and the Ryzen 9 5900X. I chose the B550M AORUS Pro-P motherboard as it's quite a solid board and will handle what I've got running on it just fine, plus there are not too many M-ATX options available anymore, unfortunately. So you'll find the full specs down in the video description, but another thing I want to highlight is that unfortunately I couldn't use the EK Supremacy 10th Anniversary Special Edition CPU water block anymore, as it only came with an Intel mount. So I've upgraded it to the new EK Quantum Magnitute CPU block for the AMD AM4 platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested to see more, check out the whole series of this build on the channel to see more about how I pretty much build it up from scratch in the InWin D-Frame Mini chassis. was at this point that I realized that I hadn't been paying too much attention to the flow of the coolant and I had the CPU block on the wrong way. So luckily I noticed and was able to easily rotate it just before one more cycle of the reservoir, and it would have ran coolant through that I would have had to drain out. So it is important to pay attention to the outflow coming from the pump, and then which is the inlet on certain CPU blocks to make sure that you're running your loop in the right direction.